This message is being transmitted of the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. Residents of Minneapolis, lock all your doors immediately. At approximately 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, unknown individuals were spotted in downtown Minneapolis. It is unknown if these individuals are hostile at this time. As a precaution, everyone at a 10-mile radius of Minneapolis should remain in their homes at this time. Stay tuned for further information. This message is being transmitted of the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. At approximately 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it has been confirmed that the individuals that were spotted 3 hours ago are indeed hostile. They are terrorizing the city of Minneapolis. Residents from a 10-mile radius from Minneapolis are advised to shelter in place until further notice. It is believed that these individuals are Koreans, but cannot be confirmed at this time. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information. This message is being transmitted by the request of Minnesota State Police. It has been confirmed that the individuals that were spotted in Minneapolis are Koreans, and they threatened that they will launch a nuclear bomb in the next 12 hours. Residents living from a 500-mile radius from Minneapolis should evacuate to a safer location. If you refuse to evacuate, seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will take a minute after impact for fallout to spread. Fallout can spread thousands of miles from the detonated site. Evacuate Minneapolis now, or you will face certain death. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This message is being transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 13 nuclear missiles were launched by North Korea. These missiles are headed to the following states: Minnesota, Michigan, New Mexico, Arizona, Texas, California, Rhode Island, New York, Maryland, Utah, Nevada, Idaho, Wyoming, Montana, Washington, Louisiana, Maine, Georgia, Florida, and Oklahoma. These states will be destroyed in the next 15 hours. The nuclear bomb in Minneapolis, Minnesota has exploded. As a result, areas from a 50-mile radius from the bomb has exploded. Stay tuned for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information on the public assigned areas. This is WBSN, and we will continue to serve the Minneapolis area. If this is not your local area, tune to a news station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the Emergency Alert System serving the Minneapolis area. The Emergency Alert System has been activated to keep you informed. This message is being transmitted by the request of the United States government. All 13 bombs that were headed to the United States exploded. As a result, almost the entire United States has been destroyed. The entire United States has received fallout along with flying debris. Stand by for a message from the President.
My fellow Americans, this is the darkest moment in U.S. history. As you may all know, Koreans from North Korea had attacked United States by bombing 20 states across the country. Almost the entire United States has been destroyed. My fellow Americans, for your safety, stay in your fallout shelters or underground basements. Turn off all electronic devices, as these Koreans are attracted to lighting. Make sure you have food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio without a LCD display. This ends my message, and try to have a good day.
That was a message from the President of the United States. Stay tuned for more information. This message is being transmitted by the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The fallout has cleared out of United States. However, there is massive damage across the United States. Canada has also received damage as well. It will take years for everything to go back to normal, but for now, we can continue to regular programming. This message is being transmitted by the request of the United States government. Construction crews have finally fixed all repairs after 5 long years. Everything shall go back to normal. We now can fully continue to regular programming operations. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.